Alright, Bethany, Zach, and Megan are on this thing somewhere. I think they're on the back side. Maybe we'll get a glimpse of them when the ride starts. Nice knowing you guys. Here they go.
Beautiful sunny day here at Lake Compounce.
So Megan, Zach, and Brian are on the far side of this thing. There they are. So here they are. Yeah. A picture idea? Yeah. Well, hang on. I want to hear about your ride. Get back over there.
It was good.
Megan was screaming?
I didn't do anything else. I don't remember it being like flipping you that close to like that being like being that vertical with the ground. I think I might have modified it.
Oh yeah? Ready for this?
Did you see that one?
Yep, I heard her. All right, cool.